Hey all, welcome to the next episode of the private equity. Today we'll discuss about the share purchase agreement. So what is share purchase agreement? If the private equity firm, which include LP and GP, want to buy a target company, so they will buy through the SPA, the share purchase agreement. So what share purchase agreement include? Want to buy or sell share in the company, you need to have a share purchase agreement. A share purchase agreement is a legal contract that outlines the price, term, condition of the deal, who is selling, who is buying, and what is included in this. It protects both parties and ensure no surprises after deal is done. Because in business, the print, the fine print matter. So how it's work? SP is a legal document outlining the terms of each and everything, what price, quantity, and how much stake they have buy or share they buy, for which time and date all things will be mentioned. Why it's matter? Ensure the clear transaction structure. Example: a PE firm sign a SPA to acquire 80% of the target company. Final step before ownership transfer. So this is an important in part of a private equity. Want to master in private equity and merger and acquisition? Hit the follow and stay tuned with our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you on the next part. Thank you.